When it comes to commercial cleaning, efficiency, durability, and mobility are paramount. This Amazon Basics Side Press Wringer Combo Mop Bucket is designed to take the hassle out of cleaning large spaces, from office buildings to hospitals, restaurants, and schools. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective cleaning solution that doesn't compromise on quality, this 35-quart mop bucket with a side press wringer is exactly what you need. Key features. The side press wringer in this combo is designed for high efficiency and quick water extraction. The side press mechanism makes it easier to squeeze out excess water from the mop, reducing strain and increasing cleaning efficiency. With this innovative design, you can get more done in less time, which is essential in high-traffic commercial environments. Whether you're working with a fan mop holder or a jaw mop holder, the wringer delivers fast, reliable results, sending dirty water back into the bucket with ease. When it comes to commercial cleaning, size matters. The 35-quart capacity of the bucket allows for continuous use without the need for constant refilling. This large size is perfect for tackling large floors, long hallways, and spacious commercial areas. With measurement marks running in 5-quart increments along the inside wall of the bucket, it's easy to track how much water you're using, helping you maintain efficiency and reduce waste. The Amazon Basics Mop Bucket is made from high-quality polypropylene, ensuring it can stand up to the demands of everyday commercial cleaning. This tough material is resistant to wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for environments where durability is key. You won't need to worry about cracks or damage after just a few uses. This bucket is built to last and withstand heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Cleaning large areas often requires a mop bucket that's easy to move around, and the Amazon Basics Side Press Wringer Combo Mop Bucket excels in this department. Equipped with 4 smooth rolling casters, this mop bucket moves effortlessly across floors, allowing you to clean without interruptions. The casters are designed for quiet operation, so you won't have to deal with noisy, distracting wheels while you work. This mop bucket isn't just functional, it's also designed with convenience in mind. Some of the features that make it stand out include: loop carry handle, allows for easy lifting and carrying. Integrated pour handle, makes emptying the bucket simple and clean without spills. Mop-handle clip-on holder, keeps your mop upright and ready for use, reducing the chance of cross-contamination and making it easier to grab and go. Bright yellow color not only adds a professional touch but also makes the bucket highly visible, improving safety in busy work environments. Designed specifically for commercial use, this mop bucket is built to handle the rigors of constant cleaning. Whether you're using it in a restaurant, hospital, or office building, the Amazon Basics Mop Bucket Combo is up to the challenge. The bright yellow color enhances visibility, ensuring it's easy to spot and reducing the risk of accidents. The large capacity means you can clean bigger spaces without needing to stop and refill, which is a huge time saver in fast-paced environments. Why choose the Amazon Basics Side Press Wringer Combo Mop Bucket? When it comes to choosing a mop bucket for your business, the Amazon Basics Side Press Wringer Combo Mop Bucket offers a number of features that make it an ideal choice for commercial cleaning professionals. Here are just a few reasons to choose this mop bucket. Efficient water wringing. The side press wringer allows for fast, effective water extraction, reducing mop drag and increasing cleaning speed. Large capacity. With a 35-quart capacity, you can clean larger areas without frequent refills, improving efficiency. Durable design. Made with high-quality polypropylene, this mop bucket is built to last through daily use and wear. Smooth mobility. The 4 casters allow for easy movement across floors, even in tight spaces, without the noise. Practical features. The integrated pour handle, loop carry handle, and mop handle clip-on holder make the mop bucket easy to use and store. Pros. Efficient side press wringer for quick water extraction. Large 35-quart capacity reduces the need for frequent refills. Durable polypropylene construction for long-lasting performance. 4 smooth rolling casters for easy and quiet mobility. Practical design with handles and mop holder clip for convenience. Cons. Mop not included. You'll need to purchase a mop separately, but the bucket is compatible with most standard mop types. Relatively bulky size. While the large size is ideal for commercial use, it may be too big for smaller residential spaces or cramped work environments. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.